To resolve the people error that occurs when attempting to log in, try resetting your password. This error typically appears when you've tried to log in multiple times with an incorrect password. The solution is straightforward. Click on the Reset Your Password option provided in the error message, which will redirect you to the Forgot Password page. There, enter your email address and proceed to the next step. You'll be asked to choose how you'd like to receive a one-time password (OTP), either via mobile or email. Once you've received the OTP, enter it and click Next. Finally, you'll be taken to the New Password page, where you can create a new password, confirm it, and save the changes. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your password and access your account without any issues, allowing you to make transfers and receive payments.